Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Windows 11 updates are current because many system service exception issues stem from driver mismatches. Once done, disconnect all non-essential USB devices to rule out hardware conflicts. Make a restore point and a quick backup of key files. This lets you undo changes if needed. Then reboot into safe mode using Settings, Recovery, Restart Now, choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings. This gets you into a clean environment to continue fixing drivers and system files. Now you diagnose the core causes. Run DISM to repair the image, then SFC to fix corrupted system files, type the exact commands and let them finish. Next, open Device Manager and sort by problem devices, uninstall or update drivers for audio, GPU, and network adapters. These are common culprits. Then use Event Viewer to track the stop code and the faulting driver name so you know what to target. If a third-party driver shows repeatedly, remove it and install the vendor's latest signed driver. Finish by reinstalling or rolling back drivers based on what Event Viewer showed. Prefer manufacturer-signed drivers because Windows drivers can mismatch. Run a memory test to rule out RAM faults. If errors appear, reset or replace modules. Once stable, reinstall recent software that preceded the fault, one at a time, to confirm the trigger. If problems persist despite these steps, use System Restore to a known good point or perform a clean Windows 11 reinstall. If stuck,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.